Alright, class, and that is why babies cannot drive. Does anyone have any questions?
Nah.
Alright, moving on. Today we're gonna... Damn.
Nah, Jit got COVID.
Y'all give me like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. About time that man left.
Nah.
Hey, y'all, I'ma freestyle real quick.
Nah, Jit think he a rapper.
Look, my name is Jamal. No jersey, but I ball. I won't ever fall. Ring, ring, hold up, your girl just called.
Nah, Jit snap.
Alright, guys, I'm back. Jamal, what are you doing?
Nah, Jit in trouble.
Oh, that boy was spitting bars.
Nah.
So this what you do when I leave the class? No, I was just, get out. But I was, now.
Nah, the teacher hates you.